Hello everyone, welcome back again to Lydia's Kitchen. My name is Lydia and I hope you all are doing well. In this video I'll be sharing with you how to make a very simple and delicious braised rice, which is locally known as Angwamoo. And in this recipe I'll be using peanut oil or groundnut oil. So I hope you will like and enjoy this recipe. So in the saucepan I'll heat about half a cup of peanut oil. And peanut oil has a very nice flavor and it's also organic oil and it adds a very nice flavor to the rice. So I'll add salted beef and I'll fry on a medium heat for a few minutes. To it I'll add some sliced onions. I'll give it a quick stir and fry it for a few minutes. Next, I've washed and added in 3 cups of rice, and I'm using Jasmine rice. I'll give it a stir and add in half a tablespoon of salt. I'll now add in about 4 cups of water. I'll give it a stir and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. So it has been cooking for a while now. I'll now give it another quick stir and I'll cover it with a cling foil and I'll let it simmer on another low heat for about 5 minutes until it's well done. And if you are enjoying and like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share. I do appreciate all the support. And to all my new subscribers, a warm welcome to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you all so much for always stopping by and always supporting my channel. It really means a lot to me. And keep supporting my channel and let's all grow this channel together. And at this point the rice is well cooked, so I'm going to add a mix of vegetables to it, which is optional. I'll give it a quick stir and let it steam for about 1 minute. And to finish this delicious Angwamoo or braised rice, I'm going to be frying some eggs with some sliced, and you can also have your braised rice with any meat of your choice, some sardines, fish or corned beef, or some sausages. And I hope you are enjoying this recipe. And at this point our peanut oil braised rice or Angwamoo is all ready. It tasted so good with the flavor of the peanut oil. So this is a simple delicious recipe that you can try if you have peanut oil. It smells so good. So thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. And also please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye.